Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 7 from the straight lines chapter exercise 10.1 and this is a first PU syllabus. If you go to playlists and look for straight lines folder, you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Question 7 goes like this. Find the slope of the line. We have to find the slope of a particular line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. Be careful about this. With the positive direction of y-axis, it is with this side, it is making an angle of 30 degrees measured anti-clockwise. So the measurement is like this, anti-clockwise direction. Okay. We have to find the slope of that particular line. So this is the data. So we are considering the line like this. If you check, this is the positive direction of y-axis and it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis. This is the y-axis and it is making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the origin and we know this is y coordinate and this is x coordinate. At this point, they both make an angle of 90 degrees. And what is this angle? This is vertically opposite angle to this. So that is what we have mentioned, which will be 30 degrees only, because this is 30 degrees. This will also be 30 degrees. To find the slope of the line, we need to know either the inclination of the line with the positive direction of x-axis, that is this inclination is what we need to know, or we need to know any 2 points on the line. Here they have not given any points on the line. We are talking about inclination. So we will find the inclination of this line with the positive direction of x-axis and we will find the slope. How do we find the slope when we know the inclination? It is slope is equal to tan of that inclination. That is slope is equal to tan theta. I'm calling these 2 points as A and B. And this angle theta is the inclination that we need to know to find the slope of the given line. Now, there is a triangle formed here, correct? It is triangle AOB. In this triangle, we know that this is 90 degrees and this is 30 degrees, which is vertically opposite to this angle. So, what will this angle theta be then? It is the exterior angle. What is this exterior angle equal to? Sum of opposite interior angles. Correct? Yes, this you have already learnt in your high school. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. These are the two angles. This will be theta is equal to 30 plus 90. You can also understand this in another way. We know this is a right angle triangle AOB. This is 90 degrees and this is 30 degrees. So this will be 120 degrees. So the third angle has to be 60 degrees. This third angle, that is angle OBA, has to be 60 degrees, right? So if this is 60 degrees, then angle ABX will be 120 degrees. In either ways, we are getting the inclination as 120 degrees. So when we know the inclination of the line with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, the slope will be tan 120. Students, we chose to take the line like this and the angle as 30 degrees here with positive direction of y-axis. Why not a line like this? Because when you consider the positive direction of y-axis, the angle here made is definitely not 30 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees. It cannot be 30 degrees. This angle will not be 30 degrees. It will be an obtuse angle. So we had to take the line like this. When we take the line like this, the angle made with the positive direction of y-axis in anti-clockwise direction will be 30 degrees, but this angle, that is the inclination with the positive direction of x-axis, will be obtuse angle. When the inclination is obtuse, the slope of the line will be negative because the angle will be greater than 90 degrees. The angle lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan theta is negative. So if the line is like this, the angle made is obtuse and the slope will be negative. If the line is like this, the angle made with the positive direction of x-axis will be acute and tan of an acute angle is always positive because in first quadrant tan function is positive. Is this clear? Why did we have to take line like this? Because this is not acute or not. This cannot be 30 degrees. That is the reason we took the line like this. Now, what is tan 120? As per ESTC rule, 120 lies in second quadrant and tan function is negative in second quadrant. Tan and cot both are negative. So, tan 120 can be written in two ways, which will be tan of 180 minus 60 or tan of 90 plus 30. Correct? So when we represent any trigonometric function in terms of the quadrant angle 180 degrees, then trigonometric function remains the same. It does not change to its cofunction. This will remain tan. But here we have expressed tan function in terms of the quadrant angle 90 degrees. So function changes to its cofunction. In both the case, the angle is in second quadrant, it will be negative. Here it changes to its cofunction, that is cot. So this will be minus tan 60, or we can write this as minus cot 30. In both the cases, it is minus root 3 only. So slope of the line is minus root 3. Thus, slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of y-axis measured in anti-clockwise is minus root 3. Hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.